Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. In case you're new, you're most welcome. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I want to shave my face. Yes, and it's my first time ever shaving my face. So I've seen some of the YouTubers are shaving their face, and I was like, why not? Because I believe when you get rid of the facial hairs, the small facial hairs that are on your face, I believe even your makeup will become more flawless. I'm so positive about that. I've had good reviews, so let me try this and then I'll give you my feedback, my review, if I like it. And so guys, you just need 3 things to do this. The first thing that you need is your coconut oil. You need your coconut oil. The next thing you need is your wipes. I'm using bouncy baby wipes. And the third thing you need is a razor or just something to shave your face. You just look for something, but for me, I'm using this blade. It's usually used for your eyebrows. It has a blade here, right here. So first, I'm using my parachute coconut oil, and coconut oil is known for so many things. First of all, it's known for as a multitasking product, and we can use it in cooking and in so many other things. And apart from cooking, as you shave your face, you can use it before shaving your face because the oil will moisturize your skin and it helps the razor to glide over your skin. Oh guys, this is a lot of hair. Look at that. Look at that. And it's just a small portion of my face and you already have that. Whoa. And you can see there is a slight difference between where I've shaved and the part that I've not shaved. But let's continue. Well guys, I know some of you might be asking, does shaving the facial hair make it grow back thicker? The answer is no. Shaving hair doesn't change it or its thickness, the color, or even the rate. Another thing guys, I hope you can see as I'm shaving, I'm trying to pull my skin away from the blade, and you shouldn't be afraid of the blade because it's a blade that is used to shave eyebrows, so it's not as sharp, so you're not going to cut your skin down there afraid. Okay, so I'm trying to pull my skin away from the blade because you don't want like a wrinkled skin or anything of that sort, because you're going to cut yourself. Trust me on this. Another thing that you guys should note is that you need to make short strokes. As you're shaving your facial hair, you do not want to make like really long strokes. So after I'm done shaving my face, I'm using my wet wipe to wipe any excess, any dirt that is left on my face. Yes. And from here I'm going to do my usual skincare routine, and yes, that's it. As you can see, there was a little dirt left on my skin. So guys, I'm done shaving my face. Do I see a difference? Light difference? Yes. but when I touch my face, I feel like it's a lot smoother than it was before. Okay, so I'll come back in one of my videos and I'll talk about my experience was after now shaving. I'll come back after a few days and talk to you about it. So keep it here, keep and talk to me in the comment section. Can you shave your face? Would you shave your face? So until in the next video, guys, love you guys and thank you so much for your support, and bye.